Hi, I'm Travis from Rideout Arsenal, and I'm going to talk today about our Dragon pistol. So this is a completely new ground-up design pistol that we developed ourselves, and we've got a ton of innovative and unique features that are going to make this probably one of the most innovative guns released this year at SHOT Show. So I'll start going through the features here. What we did is we've gone with a completely unique operating system. So this handgun does not have a slide like a traditional handgun. It has a bolt and a bolt carrier. And you can see that the carrier is separate from the bolts, and they're operated through a lever. So this is very similar to a roller delayed system where you've got a mass being accelerated by a lever, which delays the opening of the bolt. So in operation, the bolt and bolt carrier are moving back and forth, and the optic is staying fixed on the chassis. But what we've done here is we've mounted the optic on a non-reciprocating optics carrier, and that allows you to still operate the weapon with the optic. So you don't have to retrain those fine motor skills that you've been practicing. We've also went ahead and made the gun completely modular. So all of the components can be changed out quickly and by the end customer, and it's all done toollessly. So things like the nose on the front here can be changed out just by lifting up the latch and rotating it off. We've got a tri-lug fixed barrel in this system, so you can change out things like the compensator for a regular nose, or we have a threaded nose where you can run your own suppressors. And it just twists and goes back on. There's other features for ergonomics. We have different backstrap textures and profiles, different grip textures, and different heights for this bolt release. And again, that is also toolless disassembly. So I can rotate this around and show you that the backstrap just comes directly off the gun with a latch on the inside. Once this is off, you can change things like the mag funnel, the grip comes off the chassis, and you can change out all of those features. In addition, the trigger guard is actually the registered component of the firearm. That is a modular subassembly, and it holds the disconnector, the sear, and all of the operating mechanism. So when you're buying the gun, you're legally buying the trigger guard, and everything else is just an accessory on it. So you can configure that however you want, and we can directly ship those components to you. You'll also notice that because we have a fixed barrel, we're able to have an extremely low bore axis. So we're actually the lowest bore axis in the industry today. Your palm is actually in line with the barrel. So when you're shooting the gun, all of the recoil forces are going directly back into your hand, so that the end result is very minimal muzzle rise when you're shooting it. It just pushes back gently into your hand.